How bold is your jewelry line? Designers often tend to lean towards minimalist or maximalist in their style, and it's brilliant to have a specific aesthetic. But you can increase your customer base by carrying your aesthetic over in more ways. Jazz it up for people that love to make a big splash, or refine it way down for people that really embrace simplicity. Hi, I'm Patty, a jewelry designer here at Fire Mountain Gems and Beads. We are going to look at how to go from minimalist to maximalist and back again in your designs.
Get our email newsletter for beading news, sale announcements, new product announcements, and more. Link is in the description below.
Minimalist is a term that we hear pretty often in jewelry. It means very simple, elegant, and small. Maximalist is a term you might not have even heard. It's a newer term in jewelry. The maximalist we're talking about today is bold, but great for daily wear. If you look at these two designs side by side, you see the design that's minimalist, very simple. It's just a beautiful drop off of a chain. And you see a similar element used in a maximalist piece where we've got multiple layers, some wire work, and it's just a lot more bold and really out there. So super maximalist would be runway fashion. That exaggerated, bold, kind of crazy designs that are really not meant to be worn as you see them, but just to influence the lines of jewelry coming out right now. Going from maximalist to minimalist is taking a big and bold design and paring it down to the basics. It attracts a customer base that loves simplicity, but it still looks like your brand. If you look at these bracelets, we have a set of bracelets here with multiple large hishis and other elements. That's a very maximalist style. And then you can pare that down to this very simple one-strand hishi bracelet with the very tiny hishis. Just perfect. Let's take a look at how to take this maximalist jewelry set and pare it down to minimalist. Let's look at the materials in this maximalist set. One by one, there's 5 necklaces in here. This one is very simple. It's just a chain. So we have a piece of bulk cable chain, a little lobster claw clasp, and 2 jump rings, and that makes your first necklace. Let's look at the second necklace in this set. We've got these great charms in stars and moons with some jump rings to attach to the chain. And we've got some 20 gauge silver parawire that we'll make links with out of these cherry quartz beads. And we've got this little lobster claw clasp with jump rings. That's all you need for number 2. And this is number 3. We have this round cable chain, little cherry quartz beads, a clasp, and some ball pins that you'll put on the cherry quartz beads to attach to the chain. And that's it. And here's necklace number 4. We have this really cute CZ moon with the star attached, some round cable chain, and a lobster claw clasp with 2 jump rings. And that's it for that one. And this is the 5th necklace and last one in the set. We have this little bit heavier cable chain and several star components with jump rings, the clasp, cherry quartz beads, and some ball pins that's very simple. Now let's transition from maximalist to minimalist. Let's take this little CZ star charm and we're going to make a minimalist piece from it. Okay, let's go ahead and make our minimalist piece with the CZ star charm. Very simple. All you need is this little bail, and the bail's hinged. You just open it up. Just like so. And then I'm going to slide the bail onto the loop that's already attached to the star charm, and then slide that onto the chain and close it up. What could be simpler and more beautiful and elegant than this minimalist star charm piece? Why learn to make these transitions? Because of the enduring popularity of minimalism and the growing popularity of maximalism. Keeping up with cutting-edge trends while maintaining brand recognition can be a real game changer for designers selling jewelry. It was so great to be here with you today to talk about going from minimalist to maximalist and back again in your designs. If you use any of these ideas in your line, please tag us. We would love to see what you get up to. Be sure to like, share, subscribe, and sign up for our email newsletter. Links to that and to some of the great materials you've seen here today are in the description box below. We'll see you next time.